me to begin by saying that will you have denied us the chance to speak, I will be the most disappointed man this evening. There is no point of telling us that we came to benchmark. Yes, you are right. We came to benchmark, but nikikuja kwako huwezi niambia nikule ugali nisikuze mboga. I must also say what is in me. Are we together? So, okay, there are a number of topics that have been mentioned here. Allow me to talk about the one for the economic situation in our country, Kenya. To begin with, each and every one of us here wake up on the election day to go and vote. Each and every one of us here go to work hard to pay the tax of this country, Kenya. And therefore, that means we deserve equal distribution of the resources. And it is unfortunate that some areas of our country, Kenya, people are actually languishing in what we call poverty, as if they are not Kenyans. Allow me to talk about the issues that are going on in our public institutions. One of them is the issue to do with the sick people. You realize that the government has really taken long to pay the hospitals the 20 billion shillings for the hospitals to run their affairs as expected. The schools were running broke because the government had not disbursed 28 billion shillings. At the same time, the old-aged people in Kenya, wamama wazee na wababa, wanafaa kupewa 10 billion shillings. Up to now, I doubt if they have gotten that money. Now, if that is the current situation of our country, Kenya, do you think there is what we call operationalization of the important sectors of our country, Kenya? The answer is definitely not. What can we do? The only way in which we can save our country, Kenya, from this kind of impunity is through the Bunge la Mwananchi that is coming out countrywide. Are we together? So, sauti ya mwananchi, zamani tulikuwa tunasema ni parliament. Members of parliament walikuwa wanatutetea. But you can see the political situation of our country, Kenya. Today, you elect the member of parliament, and then akifika huko ananunuliwa na serikali. Huyo mtu anaenda anavotia miswada ambayo inakandamiza mwananchi kabisa. So, bunge la mwananchi ndilo limebaki kutetea mwananchi wa kawaida. And that is why we are saying that those people who are listening to us, wasimame na sisi, mabunge ya wananchi ifunguliwe Kenya mzima. Hiyo nimefikia hapo hivyo. There was the issue of whether Baba should call for protest or not. From what I've just mentioned, if you went to school or if you never went to school, it is in the public domain that majority of Kenyans are suffering. If the government was to do something, by now, as I talk, it would have already done it. Mzee amelia sana wapunguze the high cost of living. Lakini president alikuwa anajidanganya akisema eti kwamba Raila Amolo Odinga anataka handshake. Si Raila amekuja akasema yeye hayuko interested na handshake. Mbona sasa Raila amesema hivyo? Bado wanasema kwamba ati mazungumuzo, this man gave them 2 good times. They failed to demonstrate goodwill, to attend, to participate, and lower the cost of living, and open the servers, and also engage the citizens of Kenya in choosing the IEBC officials. Now, can we still have faith in them by saying that if the third time they call out for the bipartisan talks, wanaenda kuzungumuza watusaidie matako yetu? The answer is no. Wacha nimalizie kitu cha mwisho kabisa. Nakuru hakuna maandamano ambayo imewahi fanyika, na sisi tumekuja na nia ya kuhakikisha kwamba maandamano yanafanyika Nakuru. But what is very open is that hatuna support ya kutosha Nakuru. Mzee Raila Amolo Odinga anapeana direct ticket kwa viongozi ambao wakishapata kiti wanatupiga sisi vita kama bunge la mwananchi. Are we together? Thank you very much for this time. Tunaomba support yenu na tunawakaribisha Nakuru County. Thank you very much.